Y'all, it is time to dye my birthday wig. Ever since I seen this inspo pic on Pinterest, that's TikTok, I fell in love with the way it was dyed. The first time I laid my eyes on it, I was like, I have to get that wig eventually. And today we will be attempting to make that happen. I've dyed wigs before, but I've never did like any type of print or design or pattern on a wig. So today I'll be seeing if I can achieve it or if I fail miserably and my birthday is ruined. So when I tone my wigs, all I do is get this purple shampoo and mix it with some water and just keep dipping it until it turns how tone I want it. Bruh, don't leave it stringy like this. Make sure you definitely mix that mug up and like dissolve the little shampoo. I mean, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use like hot water, but I don't really care. And this water has been sitting here for a minute, but for the dip, and then I dip. Yeah, I just did a texture and then she's perfect. Yeah, this is it. Duh, because I eyeballed it because I'm the dye expert. Oh, let me spray some Got2b on my lace. Don't forget that, because if you don't, then the lace will most likely die. And we don't want that, because you want that lace to melt. Yeah. So I just sprayed a bunch on there, but make sure you let that mug dry. Because, I mean, I guess if you don't let it dry, then you're just going to be basically gluing dye to your lace. And we're doing the dip dye technique as well for this. Just dipping it until I get the desired color that I want and re-dip it. Oh heck no, I feel like the wig is not picking up dye as good as it should. Like, it looks way too peachy. Definitely finna add some more neon and dip them up again, because what is this? Oh nah. Come back to you when I figure out the color. Alright y'all, so this is the pink. Yeah, we're finna dry her so I can start designing. Hey. Alright y'all, and it's actually the next day. Yeah, as you see, I didn't finish. Someone got a little lazy. But yeah, today I'll be a tipsy style. Let's get into it. Boom, I bought this because I figured I needed a smaller one to get the precise accuracy measurement of the zebra stripes. Because I don't want to fuck this up at all. In this picture, they start off with like a U kind of thing. But in this one, they start off doing lines, but that don't really look like zebra. We just do lines. That's why I'm copying their pattern work, because that actually looks like a zebra. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this in layers, but a wise man once told me, TikTok, that I guess you should dye your wig in layers so that you can ensure, I guess, each layer is visibly dyed. I just lied. I'm not gonna dye in layers. So I'm on TikTok and nobody else did that, and I feel like it's no point because all you need is the top part, right? Right? I mean, I'm gonna dry it, and then if afterwards, if I see that the under layers are too long, which they're probably not that long, then I'm gonna, of course, dye them as well. So what I am gonna do is clip the ends, so that I'm gonna clip the ends like this, so that it has the maximum stretch. Mind you, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making it seem like I do. I don't know which one I should use. I think I'm gonna put this underneath it. I'm gonna put the neon pink underneath the stripes itself, but make the burgundy envy the actual stripes. Yeah, because in the picture they have like I like how they have the hue on top of it too. You feel me? It's not just I mean, it's not just, you know. So wait, they're basically the same size. I'm talking about the bigger one and the little one. I mean, this one's a little bit smaller. Okay. No one cares. No one cares how small my brush sizes are. Clearly, I'm stalling. Like, look at me. Okay, boom. So I think I'm gonna practice the strokes. That's how you ensure the perfect coat. You want to practice the strokes. So I don't want to do it from the roots, but I definitely want to. So I'm gonna do a line. Like, I'm gonna do exactly how it is. So I'm gonna do a line coming up right here. I don't want to do too sloppy. I'm gonna do a line coming up right here. But it's gonna be a fat ass line because I'm filling it in with another color. It's gonna be a line right here, and then it has to be all around this. Let's turn her. It's gonna be a line right here. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. No. Okay, I've acquired the dye, so I'm probably gonna do like, where should I start from? Oh, you're not gonna be able to see it. I'm gonna show you after. Ooh, it's looking good already! Take your bone, take your bone. I see that it helps if I hold the hair, because all these flyaways is gonna actually piss me off. Completely. Completely! I need to see how the burgundy looks on top. Wow. How does the burgundy look on paper, actually? Oh, that's like dark red. Oh, scared. Should I mix it with something? I'm not gonna lie, I don't like how red this is looking. Bro, but it looks burgundy on the bottle. It looks burgundy on the bottle. I think they packaged the wrong color. I don't think I'm the wrong one. Cause how is it coming out this color? I do have blue. If I could mix some blue with it. Let's look at what happens if we mix burgundy and blue. Does that make it purple? I mean, red and blue doesn't make purple, so I'm pretty sure it should. But which blue should I use? Should I use the one with the lighter hue or the darker hue? I have to do some testing. I'm not gonna lie, it literally just made the exact color I needed. This nice purple hue. It's so thick, like I almost want to make some developer with it. I should. Cause like, what? A little tinted developer never hurt nobody, you feel me? It might make it brighter, but I don't give a fuck. It's time to stop being and actually diet. Let me show you what I'm working with. Ooh. Ah, it's twin now. I'm trying to mesh them together so it gives like a little hue effect. Oh yeah, this is looking real pretty. I'm like an artiste right now, like, hey shit. Watch people ask me, can you tell me wig? After this. No ma'am. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm really finna start doing like exotic wigs stuff that I design myself. Y'all gonna see, I have the plan, I just need the platform, whatever he said. But no, I have the plan, I just need to execute it, and it's gonna be executed real soon. I'm like, oh, that's that light skinned girl named Jada with them exotic wigs. Yes, it's his eye. So I wanna make like, you know how she has like a random line right here? I need to make like a bridge to where I can do that. Time to start bridging it. Hold on, let me turn it down so y'all can at least get a little. FaceTime my best friend because I'm bored. Yeah, I think I'm underestimating on how close these stripes are together. Like in the pink inspo pic, they're pretty close, and that's kind of how I want it. But in the zebra, I mean, it's gonna be my unique design. Cause in the white zebra one, they're pretty far apart. But like, if I look up a picture of a zebra, let me look up a picture of a zebra. It's obviously not like a zebra actual skin, but like, yeah, they're pretty close together. Yeah, see, I just be going back and forth through all these. Like these two, I just go back and forth, and then the actual zebra picture if I need some more inspo. Yeah, I'm saying, oh, I don't need gloves. I'm not dyeing my actual hair. I'm just using a brush. Yeah, should have got gloves. Cause I don't need motherfuckers looking at me like, why is your hands pink? Cause mind your business. I mean, people used to dye on my hands, I feel like, cause I dye my hair so much. Show y'all how she's coming together. Some slight. Trust the process. Don't judge me. Just trust the process. I'm finna show y'all what I have so far. So boom, I have this top part. Is she looking zebra? Is she looking zebra-y? Play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Y'all didn't trust the process. I'm gonna fix that up, but y'all ain't trust the process? Oh, okay. Who ain't trust the process? Oh, okay. I figured everybody did. I shouldn't have no haters, long story short. Bro. Brief intermission, sorry. You know how they be doing intermissions on C Party show? But I need to be on that show, I ain't gonna lie. Cause when they be like, what's a word? And blah blah blah. You gotta change your gloves throughout this because it needs to ensure that you need to ensure that you yeah, that's why. You want some clean hands basically. Sorry, there's some residue from that I was doing last night. Let me stop because motherfuckers won't take me serious. Maybe I should just did it when the wig was laying down. Why is it even on this mannequin head? I don't know. Yeah, I just really gotta finish the last part and then I'm pretty much done. I'm practically done. This is the aftermath. I should show y'all how my workstation looks. I don't want to keep adding, because then when you start critiquing every little thing, it just... I'm sorry, what is this? It starts looking messed up. I'm gonna wash this with cold water so the color don't bleed or whatever, so yeah. Y'all, it's almost dry, but it's frizzy right now, but y'all, this is how she's looking. Well, I can't wait to fine iron it. It looks uneven because this part is wet. Essentially, this is how it's gonna look.